analysis of equipment. Teklom SCADA system can be used to monitor and control on-site equipment to achieve data collection, equipment control, measurement, parameter adjustment, and alarm. MES management model is order-based, which forms a process plan based on the conditions of equipment. It also manages the track's production control. By combining information system and the flexible and automatic production line of Teklom, it aims to improve production procedures, reduce manual worksheet and statistical work. Therefore, manual error can be improved and workshop management efficiency can be hugely enhanced. Teklom Remote Operation Center is capable of monitoring operation status all over the world. Through the analysis of historical data and real-time data, it provides dysfunctional warning and diagnosis, maintenance decision, and a series of self-service, intelligent, and personalized remote operation and maintenance service. Conventional dysfunction-driven post-event maintenance has been shifted to data-driven predictive maintenance and remote expert diagnosis, which has greatly reduced downtime rate and maintenance time, while achieving optimal allocation of maintenance staff, spare parts, tools, and other resources. This forms a new service-oriented intelligent manufacturing mode of liquid packaging industry. Teklom PLM product full life cycle system automatically analyzes the stage of a product and predicts its trend and market span. According to its characteristics in different stages, integrated tactics can be adopted to enhance corporate competitiveness and thus increasing profitability. Time leads to a future of infinite possibilities. A clever man changes his approach as time passing by, but a wise man develops different management approaches responding to ongoing trends. The current situation propels us to be a trailblazer of smart technologies in the new era. Teklom runs for you.